So just a quick video, as last 2 days I didn't make any video, so I thought let us meet. This is about the audio which I was listening to last week, entire week. It took me the entire week. Think and Grow Rich. So it was about Napoleon Hill's own story. Like say it was his own words, how he has described all his great uh, breaks as well as fallings, failings, you whatever you may call it. He at a point of time actually was considering all his failures to be falling, and he those were a kind of frustration for him. But later on, when he achieved some breakthroughs, and those were very huge breakthroughs, and 7 to 8 breakthroughs were super large, and those he has explained in detail in that audio. And he was like a person like any of us, uh, a life eventful life, and he closely escaped death uh, on few occasions, and he also faced like treachery of very close friends, as we all do. And when in great depression, but he at the age of 20 actually took up Andrew Carnegie's project of documenting the entire successful people's biography, you can say, but it was case studies, and he analyzed all the successful people, how they have succeeded while others have failed. Actually, those people were extraordinary, and Napoleon Hill had that foresight that he would be able to do it despite not having any compensation for it, and it took him 15 years. By um, by the end of it, actually it proved to be a very good reference book. Even today, every year a million copy gets sold, and it was for quite some time bestseller, and undoubtedly it is so. And so, uh, like say, what we learn from that his life story, he actually lived a life of extraordinary failures and extraordinary successes as well. How he achieved successes despite those failures was a story to be learned. But he didn't. He actually referred to his own story bit a bit here and there, but and the entire story in great elaboration were the stories of big people of that time, who were actually the millionaires of that time, innovators of that time. And he was no less. He was no less. Unless a person himself or herself is a person of eminence, he cannot actually understand the other person's achievements in its full detail as he has done. So while listening to that, ac- actually I didn't find anything extraordinary about anybody. Anybody can become a Henry Ford. Anybody can become a big person. Like say whoever he is, Henry Ford. I remember because of a very interesting uh, allusion to him. I see he was saying, why to waste your brain power in uh, collecting unnecessary details while you have bigger responsibility towards your business and towards many people's livelihoods. why to bother yourself with unnecessary details? So that is something which I have already read in Sherlock Holmes stories also, where uh, the doctor told him that two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen combined together forms water. Sherlock Holmes was surprised, saying that is it so? So two gases actually join together to form an entirely different kind of a particle, or say a matter which is very different in nature. So you are saying, what use is this detail to me? Similarly, we all kind of are bothered with unnecessary details, but forget about the most essential thing, the quintessential things of our life. And it has to be chosen at every moment. Every moment we have to choose what is the best and what is more important and what is not. So that is actually the most important thing. And I'm happy that I listened to that audio, and everybody showed it takes time, but actually it is a immense learning, immense learning. Yeah, thank you.